Shenzhen, Nuosiya Electronics Company Limited was established in 2012, which is a professional company of audio cable and audio equipment integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. Our main products including microphone cable, guitar effect cable, microphone cable, DMX signal cable, and other related patch cables. The company is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, 20 kilometers from Shenzhen Yantian Port and Shenzhen International Airport. The traffic and transportation is very convenient. The company has more than 50 employees with rich working experience, committed to strict production, quality control, and considerate customer service, and can always find customer needs to ensure customer satisfaction. Our office and production plant covers an area of 2,000 square meters with more than 30 sets of automatic wire twisting machines, automatic soldering machines, injection molding machines, and other related equipment. Our daily production capacity reaches more than 20,000 pieces. In addition, we have obtained CE, ROS, and other related certificates. Our products not only sell well in domestic provinces and cities, but also export to various countries and regions, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Mexico, Japan, Europe, and so on. At the same time, we also undertake OEM and ODM orders, professional production, careful manufacturing, quality first, delivery guarantee is the company's unswerving business philosophy. Shenzhen Nuosiya Electronics Company Limited is willing to work together with you to create the future and realize dreams.
You can rest assured that we are professional. Shenzhen NOSYA Electronics Limited Company, specializing in the audio-related cables and equipment for 12 years. Sincerely welcome you and all customers to our factory for guidance.